So standoff weapons are new in the South Asian dyad as well as in terms of being deployed on both the Indian and the Pakistani side. This is something that we have not seen necessarily being used in the past. In 2019, when we had the Balakot crisis, we were not using these weapon systems on either side. We had more of a traditional air-based strike option that India exercised, and Pakistan's response was also air-based. This time round and in future conflicts, we might see both sides consider standoff weapons. In the case of India, I would say you might have the use of standoff weapons at a level of escalation that is lower than the dogfight and aerial engagement, where you might conduct strikes on infrastructure capabilities of the Pakistani military or of terrorist organizations on the other side of the border. For Pakistan, this might be an option to sort of retaliate to strikes like those on either infrastructure or particular military installations along the border, which in some ways might give both sides an off ramp